see. Now guys, a bit out like this. Yes. Put a big nut behind it. Now we're getting there. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then over here we're gonna do the same. This one. Okay. Yes. Then the book shoes. Over there I'm gonna place. And that's behind it too, so my chains go a bit out. Yes, yes. Let's see this side and that side. Okay. Now guys, I think this will do. Let's see. Okay. Yes, and then this one over here. Okay. Look at the inside. There is my throttle body center. Yes. Yes. Nice. Good morning guys. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. I got a second-hand Bmw S1000R engine. My friend found it and so I have it in my shed. According to the shop owner where he bought it, it had run 12,000 kilometers, which I think could be the truth. But it has a little bit of damage. Over here you can see the bike scraped along the road. So I'm gonna take this cap off. I would say come on over and we start. Now guys, we need to take this cap off. This is already a bit loose. This is fucked, but it's all aluminium, so that won't be a big problem, I'm sure. First we're gonna loosen them. Hop, 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 up. this one? Now let's see, maybe we can pry in smaller torques. Maybe this one. Wait a minute, it's aluminium, so see, it's not that tight, so hopefully, yes. This one also. Now this is no problem at all, but this one, I think, carefully tap it a bit. There it comes. It's not a big problem, guys. Yes. Nope, not yet. Using an old screwdriver. Oh. Yes. Yeah, there he is. See? Hop. Then this one. I think the head is fully off, but we're gonna carefully see. Otherwise, I take my grinder and grind it a bit away. So, hop. Guys, aluminium bolts. Okay, Bmw. Now let's see if we can pry it off. Not. We can try to take this one out. Yeah, good plan. Let's do that. Yes. Oops. I'm going to take my angle grinder and I can drill it out, but this piece is fucked anyway. So this one back in. Oh, grind it a bit. I think a tiny bit of the head is still there. So piece of cake. I got my angle grinder. Up. Then this one over here. This one over there. That one over there. Block it. And lock it. Guys, always wear safety goggles and ear protection. So, hop. Now, over there. Guys, then we need another tool. I have these I have these old tire lifters, see, over there, and I noticed over here, someone here, wait a minute, there, see, there he goes, yes. Plop. Yes. Oh guys, this looks really, really nice. Wow. See, and now we can screw it out. Screw it out. Now guys, for the time being, I'm gonna mount this engine part back on. Now watch. There is this washer. It's a plastic washer and it needs to go over there. In a moment I'm gonna show you over there. Then we have two, what is it? Fitting guiding pins. They fit really well. One goes over there. Wait a minute. One goes over there and one goes over there. See? Wait a minute. And you have to be sure. These. And guys, that this is, oh godverdomme, waar nou weer? Nou. Tjoe. Wat gedoe, zo'n blok. Yes, you have to be. Godverdomme. Auw. Push it all the way up. Cut myself. Godverdomme. Tiny bit. There are holes, and these are the sliders, the guiders for the cam chain that runs over here, and the hole need to be aligned. So be sure it's, see, you can wiggle it a bit. Let's hold it with a screwdriver perfectly in line, and then yes, there he is. See? And this one is the same, but that one goes in easier. And it's such a good fitting that the air is trapped in it. See? But that's no problem. Wiggle it a bit. Hold on, I cut myself. This washer was in that cap, so be sure, put it back, cleaned it a bit, and now I'm gonna place it back. Then align the pins into those holes, and carefully tap it in place. And I'm gonna use a few bolts. This one, okay, and this one. It's torx 30. carefully. More or less. Yeah, it wiggles because it hangs now in my winch. And one look over here, and I will do it. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got. Nope, the other are fucked up. So tighten it a bit. Hop. Yes. Now guys, this was my first video. More to come, as I'm gonna exchange the damaged engine for this one. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Very good. And for now, old mechanic out.